Hello everyone. So, you have questions about drink packages on the cruise. Well, I'm here to tell you the difference between all the various drink packages and which ones might be best for you. So, for starters, and on the shorter cruises, you have the option of not booking a drink package at all. So, what this means is that you would be limited to probably juices and water. Some cruise lines will also offer you the option of taking your own beverages on board. Totally fine. Some people take that option. I usually do on cruises that are generally shorter. This will not cost you any extra money apart from the beverages that you take in your cabin. The next level up is usually the fountain package. Now, this is my favorite package. This generally includes all non-alcoholic drinks, and if you're not an alcoholic drinker like me, this will probably be the best option for you. This includes bottomless soda drinks. It includes your juices, and it sometimes includes your coffee. The next level up, which some companies such as Celebrity Cruises offer, a Mocktail Package. This includes everything from the soda package and is probably a little bit more expensive than the soda package, but it also includes non-alcoholic drinks. So this would be like your pina coladas or your virgin margaritas, something like that. The next level up is your alcoholic packages, sometimes known as the Cheers package. This you may have to check with your cruise line to see if just one person in your cabin can order this and everybody else can order their own packages of choice, or if everyone, regardless of whether or not they drink, actually has to order this package if they're in the same cabin as you. This package generally includes all of the drinks from the previous packages, but it also includes your alcoholic drinks. So this will be generally the most expensive. So the one thing that you want to take into consideration with packages is the price point. As I said before, the alcoholic packages are generally the most expensive, whereas the ones that have the no drink packages are generally the least expensive. So you want to take into account how long your cruise is, how much you think you're going to be drinking, things like that, to see if getting a drink package is worth it to you. I usually get my drink packages on cruises that are 5 days or longer, but again, it's all up to you, what your preferences are, things like that. Now, there's also something that you might want to consider if you get the soda package, but you also want to buy an alcoholic drink. Alcoholic drinks can generally be bought on a pay-as-you-go basis. However, since they would be outside of your package, you'll have to pay the difference usually between the alcoholic beverage and what that generally costs versus what's covered in your alcoholic package. So you want to take that into consideration as well. If you plan on drinking a lot of alcohol, then you're probably better off going with the alcoholic package. But again, that's totally up to you. And that's about it. So those are my top tips for considering alcoholic packages. If you like what you see, or if you think this video is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.